Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first visit, thank you for visiting and welcome. Today I am participating in the Keep It Simple Sunday. It's a challenge that is hosted by Melissa Makes It, and her co-host this month is Indy Annie Jones. I will leave a link to their channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos participating. Please pay a visit to both channels and please watch all the videos. I'm going to do something for fall Thanksgiving. As you can probably guess, I'm using this foam from Dollar Tree. I started decorating it already because I needed to know if it was going to work, and I'm going to start with the rest of the decoration. First I used this foam. Let me start by telling you that I hope you know already my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so I use a lot of things that we found in the dumpster. All the greenery I'm going to use is from the dumpster, and this foam that I'm using to make the background is also from the dumpster. It's not the regular Dollar Tree foam, it's a very high quality foam. You can see it's like solid here. The Dollar Tree one is kind of porous, and it was harder to cut than the other one, but the look is better. And I love buffalo check. It's something that I'm in love with, so I wanted to use buffalo check as a background. I was not able to get buffalo check paper anywhere. I ordered it from Hobby Lobby. It was cancelled, the order, because it was sold out. So I bought this fabric from eBay, on eBay. It's really great. It's a great quality and it works perfect. I had already used it in another project. I bought 1 yard, and is 1 yard the length, but the width is 62 inches, which is like 2 yards. So it's a lot of fabric. I have material for a lot of projects. I paid $6.45 for the yard. It's really worth it. The seller was great. It arrived quickly. It's from the United States, and I'm really pleased. It doesn't wrinkle, so it's really great. So I'm going to glue it with this Elmer glue that is also from the dumpster. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Now I'm going to use the other side. I'm going to add this glue here all around and in the whole surface of this foam. I'm being generous, as I always say, because I want the cloth, the fabric, to be firmly adhered to the background. And using this foam brush, I'm going to spread the glue. So it is evenly spread on the whole piece of foam. I don't want any bubble or marks, so this is the best way to get a kind of good result. So now I'm going to add this piece of fabric, like so. I'm pressing it And sorry. Now I'm going to add this form on top of the piece of foam, and I'm going to decorate it with something that I have already prepared. For example, I made this bow with our beloved and well-known burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, and again some greenery from the dumpster. And I will add this. This is not exactly a bow, just folded the ribbon in 4 pieces, 2 for one side and 2 to the other side, and some other stuff. But I'm going to glue to adhere the form to the base off camera, because it takes time. It has to the glue has to dry, so I will do that and I'll be back. Well, I'm back, and as you can see, I already glued the form to the foam. I added the bow on top. It helped me to cover some imperfections because the foam was not exactly the same length than the form. It was really hard to mark it and cut it. I tried twice. This was the third one. I was run out of foam, so this was the one that I had to use. I also added this greenery with this kind of bow, and now I'm going to finish this project with some other details. I'm going to add these 2 pumpkins. They are also from the dumpster, and for you to know, this floral wire is from the dumpster. I love dumpster diving. I'm going to leave the link to our dumpster diving channel, Dumpster Chicks, the one that my daughter and I share, for you to pay a visit if you want, and you will have a lot of fun seeing us in action and seeing us hauling all the stuff we find, and you won't believe the things we find there. You can see some of them, but you have no idea. Lanterns, you name it. Okay, first of all, before adding the pumpkins, I'm going to add this sign. The original color was this one. I spray painted it white with a Rust-Oleum flat paint, the one that's primer and paint all in one. I made the marks here and the cuts because it has 2 flaps. It belonged to another sign that I used for another project. So I'm going to add it here using those cuts that I made. I didn't look, but I think it doesn't come from the other side. No, I won't be able to. Oh, maybe yes. Yes, here I can bend it. So I'm sure that it's going to be in place without glue, because glue on this kind of metallic things sometimes comes off, hot glue. I'm going to cover this and this with some items, so we're almost done. I glued both of them together because it makes it easy to place them here. So I'm going to add them here. Let me see where. I'm eyeballing. So, yeah, I'll glue it here. Let's see. Okay, I think it's going to work there. They are so cute. I love these mini pumpkins from Dollar Tree, especially when I get them for free. I'm going to glue it here. I love this silicone finger protectors. Now these are from China. Now Dollar Tree have them in pink, which is, I think, looks better, but they are great because I burned myself so many times before having them, so I think it's a great invention. So here we have the pumpkins and the welcome sign, and now I'm going to add a couple of pine cones. Let me see, these two ones, here and here, yeah. Tons of hot glue in this project. I found a lot of these glue sticks in the dumpster, but the shorter ones. These came with the glue gun, that's why I'm using them, but I'm not really pleased with them. But I have a lot of glue sticks that we found in the dumpster, so I'm not going to buy glue sticks for a long time. So let's see, yeah, and now here. As I say, I'm generous with the hot glue because I hate having something hanging from the wall and finding that a pine cone, a ribbon, a bow, whatever is on the floor. And it happened to me many times because I wanted to be like frugal, because I'm really frugal, believe me. I'm a dumpster diver, but sometimes it's not worth it. Okay, I like it. So I'm going to add another one here. I don't know if one or two here. I don't know. I don't have another one because I would like three. One large and one and two small. But I'm not sure. I think I'm going to go with just one. So again, a lot of hot glue. And here we go, covering the floral wire, and we are finished with this project. This is a really simple project. It takes a little bit of time because you have to cut the foam and glue the pieces, but it's really not complicated. It's just adding stuff, making a bow, adding greenery, gluing the pine cones and the pumpkins, and the sign that you don't have to do anything to it, just 2 holes. The thing that took me a little bit more time was gluing this form to the foam, but it was just 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, and I really love how it turned out. I hope you liked it. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and please visit the hostesses channels, the playlist, our dumpster diving channel, and I want to thank both hostesses for hosting this challenge, and I want to thank you, really, from the bottom of my heart, for watching this video, for your comments, for your constant support, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.